Today, we continue to share the process. At the end of the video, I'll show you all the process of this product for your reference. Let's look at the product first. The structure of the product. It's relatively simple. It's just a frame. Inside is not particularly complex structure, as long as the flatness is well controlled. The size is about 240 by 240. The thickness is only 15 millimeters. We prefer ABB adhesive for prototyping, because ABB glue has no external stress. On the first side, remove all the inner cavities. Leave a little margin in the center for a solid effect. The second side, the bottom side, then we'll do the front and back. Let's take some measurements. As usual, let's listen to the sound. It's okay. Let's start with 5 strips. Let's see how the 4 corners sound. What do you think, guys? Is it more than you imagined? This is the effect after a day of sitting, except for this position because the knife is a bit blunt. The center is a bit bulging. The other positions are all fine. If you meet similar products in the future, you can refer to my method. You can try it.